Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LinkedIn job application tracking with Teal, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Teal website and sign into your account. Once logged in, look for the job application tracking section on your dashboard. Click on the option to add a new job application. Now, you will see a prompt asking for the job details. Input the job title in the designated field. Next, enter the company name where you are applying. You may also add the job posting URL if available. Proceed to fill in the status of your application, such as applied, interviewing, or offer. Next, look for the option to integrate LinkedIn. Select the LinkedIn integration feature to start connecting your accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Teal access to your LinkedIn profile. Once connected, you can import your LinkedIn job applications into Teal. To do this, simply click on the Import button and select the relevant applications. After importing, review the job entries for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to the job details or status. You can also add notes or tags to your applications for better organization. To track your progress effectively, visit the dashboard regularly. Check the visual progress indicators for a quick overview of your applications. Make sure to keep all your application statuses updated. Finally, utilize any additional features Teal offers, like analytics or insights, to improve your job search strategy. By following these steps, you can streamline your job application tracking with Teal and LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.